Yo, what's up, guys? Elad, and I am about to go fun video some special stuff in this bag. This here bag. Where should we go? Should I go there? There? I don't know. Kind of figure it out. Guys, so it took me a while to get this set up. Where I'm gonna be, but finally got it. It's gonna be kind of gross. I'm gonna be eating baby food, and this is kind of a weird one. You've got little sticks, turkey sticks. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that smells awful. Ugh. Dumb. It's not falling out. It's supposed to be like liquid. It's like a jello. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. It might be old. I'll find out. Let's see. Maybe I'll just kind of squat up here. That way I think. Okay, yeah, no, I'm not eating that one. Ugh. Okay, so I've got some better stuff though. Like, okay, this one actually looks kind of good. It's apple blueberry. Just got some nice stuff here. Nice case. I'm gonna scoot this up a bit. I'll look closer so I can see you guys. Or you can see me better. You know, I got a spoon. This one, I have a spoon. How do I open this? It's like seriously baby proof. The wind is kind of cold. The wind is kind of cold. I don't know if you can hear me or not, so I'm just gonna stab this thing. Cut it open. Oh, so actually, it's kind of chunky a bit. Maybe that's the blueberries. Okay, so this one is actually kind of good. I could eat this for a while. It tastes like just applesauce, really. Like some strawberry applesauce or something. What else do we got? We got, most of the rest of these are kind of gross. Prunes with apples. That does not sound very interesting. My sisters are kind of playing again, so you might hear them running around, yelling. Get in. Oh, there's the entrance, or the opening. Oh. They're playing house. They're not actually going to hit each other. Looks really gross. See, look. Oh, I just dropped. It looks like. Oh, I don't even know. They're running. Yeah. Anyway. Prunes is gross. Hey, honey, want to try some prunes?
What?
Prunes and apples.
No.
No? You want some?
What
Yeah,
is that one?
So. That's mine. You don't get that one.
What is it?
That's
Why are you trying to do this? Looks fair.
because it's fun. What?
Looks fair.
No, this is my food. I bought it. What else do we got, guys? Autumn vegetable and turkey. It's gonna be also not quite so wonderful.
I'm eating baby food.
I'm eating baby food for a video to go on YouTube.
Oh, hey.
I cut it.
Hey.
This doesn't look very good either. Ani, I'm pretty sure they can hear you. Okay. The prunes were better. Oh.
The what were better?
The prunes were better than this. You want some?
Oh, no.
They don't want that one either.
Hey, did you try that yet, Eli?
I'm not trying that.
Why?
Just look at it. Little pastes
Ugh.
with hidden vegetables. That one looks moderately okay. Nice taste.
How do you accept it?
Oh, I still have the
You
other thing in my mouth. You know, what else? Do I have anything in... Dude, I bet you who just wash it down. It's not the best, but it's okay.
Mommy. You're my new mommy. You're my new mommy.
Wash it down because it's gross, not because it's good.
I want you. Mommy.
Trying to open it? Yeah, I got it. This doesn't smell very good either. Yeah.
What is it?
It is little paste with hidden vegetables.
Bonnie, you saw us.
I put it in the fridge and it's also cold.
So go up in the treehouse and sit.
Well, this actually doesn't taste bad. It tastes like chicken Alfredo. I don't like Alfredo though, so it's kind of gross.
What is it? The Alfredo? Yeah. So what's your favorite, Elad?
I'm not done, I don't think. Definitely that one. What else we got? We got
Boo boo.
do I have another spoon? I do.
How's it taste?
Some much better than others. I've got just spinach, zucchini, and peas. This one is probably gonna be gross, but better than some of the others. I don't recommend giving any of this to Luke. Oh,
Mommy, I gotta tell you something. Mommy, I gotta tell you something. Give that to Luke. Sit down.
no, Luke doesn't want this. This is gross. They're all right around me. Can't you guys go somewhere else?
No,
You're fine.
Can't do much.
Friend, you're fine. Just them. No. Yeah, you can sit up there.
I can't swing. Well, slide. Do you want to slide? Want to go down the slide? Come on. Okay. Want to go?
Oh, that was bad.
So eat your fruit, Eli.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely the worst.
my wing pad.
Oh,
Yay! That took a long time for my wing.
I don't recommend spinach, zucchini, and peas.
What are
Or
you gonna
any
do?
of this.
What are you gonna do with all the rest of them? Look, say no.
I don't know.
Don't eat it. He probably likes it.
Go turn out of the shop.
Can I have that?
No? Come on.
You have one too.
That's the only good one. Here, you can have
Which
this.
Ew.
What was it? The apple and blueberry.
That one? That one?
This one.
Hey, wait. You wanna go swing? We can swing together.
Ariana Rose, get out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you like me eating nasty, disgusting stuff. If you like me eating disgusting stuff, yeah, comment down below. Yeah, like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. Peace.